Hey, this is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on code highlighting in your ScienceLogic SL1 system. By default, when you first set up a ScienceLogic SL1 system, it has a feature called code highlighting enabled, and what it does is highlight certain aspects of your code syntax to try to make it a little bit easier to parse what you're seeing. This is a great feature. However, the default theme that you use, the default colors in that theme, make it pretty much unreadable. So here's how you can turn that off. So we are in the AP2 interface, the new user interface. And what we want to do is open up the hamburger menu on the upper left, scroll down to Preferences, drill down into Account, and select Preferences. You will see an iframe view of the old UI. And if you are using the old UI, it will also show you which tab to go to. You will go to Preferences, Account, Preferences, and check or uncheck code highlighting. Go ahead, click Save. And now, the next time you use the DB tool or the RBA editor or the dynamic application editor, you will no longer have code highlighting enabled.